Hello. Yesterday we talked about revising our writing, and we said when we revise our writing, we're either adding sentences, taking sentences away, or adding words or taking words away that do not relate to what we're writing about. Today we're going to talk about the editing stage of our writing, and we're going to be looking at capital letters. What parts of our writing need a capital letters? What lowercase letters need to be capitalized? Well, if you look at the first one, we look at, does every sentence have a capital letter? The first letter of every sentence should be capitalized. If you look here at the example, bears sleep in the winter. Bears is the only word that has a capital letter because it is the first letter, or bears is the first word of the sentence. The next thing you're going to look at is the pronoun I. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. And when you're talking about yourself, you often use the pronoun I, and it is always capitalized. Look at the example. Here I am. Notice how the I is a capital letter. We also capitalize proper nouns. And proper nouns is when we have a noun and we give it a name. And when we give those nouns a name, it needs to start with a capital letter. Like Javier, Ella, Sari, Chin. Those are names of people, and it's names that we have given them, so they need to have capital letters. Names of places need to begin with a capital letter. States, like Texas. Cities, like Richmond. And oceans, like Atlantic Ocean. We've given them names. We gave the state a name, the city a name, and the ocean a name. So we need to make sure they have uppercase or capital letters. We also capitalize names of things, like months of the year, July, days of the week, like Monday, and things like the Grand Canyon. Those are words that we're giving a name to, and they need to be capitalized also. So today, look at your writing and look at your words to see, did I begin every sentence with a capital letter? Did I always capitalize the pronoun I? Did I give names of people, places, and things capital letters? If you did, that's great. If you didn't, this is a great time to make those corrections.